get paid.
Got 25 lighters on the dresser. Yes, sir. Got to get paid.
Shannon, what's up?
Who let that ride? That's my shit.
First, the motherfucking Vol. Bitch, you supposed to be in the camera lady for Keep 100. After the other motherfuckers bailed out on me. But bitch, you ain't nowhere to be found.
You didn't time. All this whole keeping it 100 shit. You know what I'm talking about? The whole time. Okay. Fuck keep it 100. You know why? Because the motherfucker ain't invited me now town to now motherfucking show. You know what I'm saying?
Wait.
See, that's what I be talking about. See what I'm saying? If my ain't had a dick, should be my uncle. You know what I'm talking about? I'm the only one out here still country stun, chicken hunting, rooster pimping, and gangster living, let the market swing, and y'all know what it is with me, man. And a nigga didn't invite me to the show. You feel me? So fuck this show. Steve Harvey got a show. I ain't got no motherfucking
Well, I ain't got nothing to say until my new show come out, and it ain't gonna be called Keep 100.
What it gonna be called, Wayne?
Oh, just Wayne.
Just Wayne? Who?
Yeah, just Wayne.
Just who?
Just Wayne.
Why I gotta be just you?
W-A-I-N-E.
I see what I'm talking about. A show ain't a show without a hype, man.
Ain't a party, ain't a party.
I'ma crank the bitch up anyway.
Okay.
Every time y'all get ready to do some shit, I'm gonna bust up in it, motherfucker. You need?
If you can get out the house.
Go get in there.
If you can get permission.
You know what? I'm coming anyway. I'm coming. Like a dick and a big bitch. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming.
I need you to sign this consent. I need you to sign this consent form.
I ain't
On
consenting
a
to
field
shit.
trip.
I'm raping the show. You know what I'm talking about? Since I ain't signing no consignment, you know what I'm saying? And he ain't gonna consent. I'm just gonna rape the show. You did.
Well,
Take me some show time.
And guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna do it just like this.
what?
Bye, y'all.
Let's
Yeah, ain't talking money.